Hey guys, hope you people are doing good. The version 5.8 datum of WordPress is out. So there have been a lot of amazing changes. WordPress is trying to have the Gutenberg as a page builder and is including a lot of new features to make it a full-fledged page builder for the WordPress community. So in last session, we had seen about the widgets, and in this session, we will be looking at one major change that WordPress is planning is about the images. So here, if you see, it has added support for the WebP images. A lot of us who are using JPG or PNG images are puzzled what the web page image is and how it is going to change or revolutionize the whole web experience. So in this session, we will see what WebP images are, how we can convert any images into WebP, and if you have not made up your mind yet to update the WordPress version to 5.8, still how you can use the WebP images on the older versions. So let us start. Welcome back. This is Prakash from 𝗧𝗵𝗿 and in this series we are looking at the changes that WordPress 5.8 datum has brought in. I have done a bit of a search about what WebP is and why WordPress and Google is fascinated with this form of images. So this is a developer's page on google.com, and as you see the information over here, WebP is a modern image format that provides superior lossless and lossy compressions for images on the web. So we will see in detail what lossless and lossy means. But for you to understand, here the data says that WebP lossless images are 26% smaller in size compared to PNGs, and WebP lossy images are 25 to 34% smaller than the JPEG images at equivalent SSIM quality index. So this is how the WebP images are going to impact greatly on the speed of your website. Let us see a few more things about the lossless and the lossy comparison. So here it says, what is a lossy compression? So lossy compression creates images that are approximately the same, which reduces the file size post compression. So it actually reduces the image size without losing the quality of the images as in case of PNG. But at the same time, the WebP images can compress the images as lossless compression. So a lossless compression is the opposite of lossy. And instead of approximate data positioning, lossless compression uses exact matching to place data points in their specific places. So in short, here you will see a comparative account of JPEG, PNG, WebP, SVG and GIF images, and it says that the best of all this is the WebP images. So here there is a conclusion on the developer's page on Google that says the compression density is better for more than 99% of the WebP images, suggesting that one can relatively easily change from PNG to WebP. So that may be the reason why WordPress has changed or have made their mind to give support to WebP images. And it further says when WebP is run with the default setting, it compresses 42% better than the LIBPNG and 23% better than the another format, that is 𝗬𝗵𝗿𝗧𝗵𝗿 PNG. This suggests that the WebP is promising for speeding up images on heavy websites. Amazing it is. So if you wish to see which all browsers are supporting the WebP images, you will find that except for the Internet Explorer and the 𝗄𝗶𝘁 browser, every other browser is now supporting the WebP images. And that may be the reason why WordPress has also announced that they are going to drop the support for Internet Explorer in the coming future. So let us see how we can convert our normal JPG or PNG images if we are creating a new website. And also I will tell you how we can convert the existing images into WebP images to have a better loading for our website. So here I am on a test website, and here if I show you, I'm using a lot of images, and if I show you, this is the GT matrix report for the test website, and you will see that I am using a lot of images, because of which it is giving me an error which says properly sized images are a lot of images which are not properly sized. And all these images I'm using them as the JPEG or JPG images. Some of them are PNG as well. I will be converting all these images to WebP, and let us see how it works on this website, and is there any change in the speed of the website. So I'm leaving all the other parameters untouched, and we will be experimenting only with the images and converting them from JPEG or PNG to WebP images. So let us start with the process. So to convert these images from PNG or JPG to WebP, I'm using a online app, that is 𝗬𝗏 app. This app gives you a functionality to change the size of the images and also to have a different format of the same images. So let us start with the first image, and I will pull out one image from my desktop. So let me check this image, and this image is a PNG image and has a size of 235 KB. So let us drag and drop this to the app, and you will see that I can resize the image from here. So I will resize it to 600 by 372 pixels, and also I need to change the format to WebP. So here is a comparison. The original image was of 241 KB, and now it is reduced to 7.41 KB, and the format is WebP, and the size also we have changed to 600 by 372. So let us see if there is any loss in the image quality. So not much. So if I maximize the image size, so let me reduce it a bit, you will see that the image quality hasn't reduced much, even if when we have reduced the image size considerably from 241 KB to 7.41 KBs. So let me just change the quality parameters here. So I will say lossless, and you will see that the size has increased to 43.6. And let me also change this to slight loss. So this is how we can also control how much loss of the image quality we can accept. So here I'm just changing the cursor and I can check the before and after image just by dragging this cursor. This is another tab, efforts. So I'm happy with this quality, and now I can download this image. So you can see that image was of a size of 241 KB and now it has been reduced to 33.4 KBs. So let me just download this image. So you will see that the image is now downloaded in WebP format. Let me show you in the folder. So here it is, and if you check the image, it says a Chrome HTML document, and if I go in to the image properties, it will give me the WebP image format. So let us upload this image now to our website, and I will go to the image library and I will say add. So I can just drag and drop this image here. So it's getting uploaded. Let me just go back to the website and edit this page. So here the image is, and I will just go and change the previous image to the latest one. So I will update it, and let us check how it is coming out. And you will see that there is no loss in the image quality, but we have considerably reduced the image size by making it a WebP image. So there are two things we need to now consider. That is, the first thing is there are a lot of websites which are still not updated to the latest version. So how those websites can use WebP images? Because if I can show you on one of my websites, so here you will see that the WordPress 5.8 is available and please update it. So I haven't updated this version on this website. So let us try and upload a WebP image on this website. I will go to add, and we'll take the same image and try to upload it on this website. So it says, sorry, this file type is not permitted for security reasons. So here is a glitch, and if you have become a fan of WebP images, but you don't want to update the WordPress version, there is a way out. So let us hover over to Appearance and go to Theme Editor. So here, find the function.php file, and in this, scroll down. So you have to be little careful while updating the function PHP of the themes. So I will advise you to have a backup of your website so nothing should crash down after you update this file. So I will leave a link or a description for this code, and it's a small code that you need to put in the function PHP folder of the themes. So what this code does is it opens a way for you to use WebP images on your website without updating the WordPress 5.8 version. So I have just copied and pasted the code at the end of the theme function PHP code, and I will just update it. So it says file edited successfully. And now if I go back to the media section, and here you will see that I haven't updated the WordPress 5.8 version. And what I will do, I will try to add WebP image, the same image that we had created over here. So you'll immediately see that the image is available here, and you can very well use this image on your website. So now the next thing that we need to consider is, like me, if you have a lot of images that are already uploaded on the website, what should be the solution? So we just need to upload one plugin. So the name of the plugin is 𝗧𝗵𝗿 and we can download it from the WordPress.org repository. So here I will just download this 𝗧𝗵𝗿 plugin, and I will upload it here on the website. So let us hover over to the plugins and say add new. So I just need to upload this plugin, and I will install it. I will just activate this plugin. You will see that it says it displays properly sized, smartly cropped and optimized images on your websites. Images are processed on the fly and served from our CDN in the next gen WebP and AVIF formats if the browser supports it. So this plugin does the thing for you, and based on how many images this plugin can process, you can have those images converted into WebP format. So let us go to the settings of this plugin. And here it is asking you the compression level. So it can be lossy, glossy, lossless, and these three formats. So here you just need to do some research and development about your website to find out what exactly suits your website. So lossy, if you read out, lossy compression is recommended, and it offers the best compression rate. This is recommended option for most users, producing results that look the same as the original to the human eye. So glossy can be, it creates images that are almost pixel perfect, identical to the originals. and lossless. So here what you can do, you can set the images as per your website requirement. So I'm keeping this to lossy and I will just save it. So the next thing is the behavior, and it says the fade effect. So it is kind of a lazy load kind of a setup. It also has a few other things, and you can go through the details, and whatever your website is needing, you can update or enable or disable the options here. The next thing is the areas, and here you can check out the details for the maximum width of the images and other things. So I'm just going through quickly on this setup, and you can also have some exclusions for the images for lazy load and other options. So you can put the exclusions here. The last thing is the clearing CSS cache. So I have just done that, and the setup is now complete. So by using this small plugin, you can have all this PNG, JPG, and GIF converted into next-gen image support. So automatically this plugin, if it identifies that the browser is Internet Explorer, i.e. which doesn't support the WebP images, it will show other form of the images on those browsers. So it will not say that the image is broke on such web browsers. So we have done a very basic setup for the 𝗨𝗵𝗿 AI plugin, and let us now check how this is now impacting the speed of our website, and is image still the issue for the website. So earlier the report says that the image size, the total image size was 7.24 MB. So let us check now how the report comes out for the images with the use of 𝗨𝗵𝗿 AI plugin, which is converting the images into the WebP images. So here it is coming up. So if we compare the two results, now you can see that the previous report that we had run in the beginning showed that properly sized images can be one of the major issues while the pages were loading. So if you see now, the report says that it doesn't have any issues regarding the image sizes, and everything has been taken care by the plugin. And once we have all the images converted into WebP images, the website is obviously going to be faster. And remember that I'm not considering the other issues on this website. So you might have a question about the website now loading a little slower. But if you check the image issues, now it has, this is the first report which had the image size as 7.24 MBs. Now it has gone down to 2.04 MBs. This is how the WebP images are going to change the way we create the websites. And indeed, it is going to increase the website speed a lot. And we will see soon that most of the websites will have the WebP images. This is about the WebP images, and the latest update on WordPress 5.8 Tatum. So let us meet in a next session, and I will be coming up with more interesting insights about this version. And if you have any specific questions or if you are facing any issues regarding this version, do comment on this video. So thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the latest update on my channel. So thank you so much and have a nice day.